So tonight it's supposed to get down to 18 degrees. So our next project is to go to get some heat wrap tape for our freshwater hose because we are currently hooked up to fresh water at the RV park. And we don't want that line to freeze and bust and not have water and all that good stuff. So that's our next project. Well, we made it through the cold night. Let's see if the water made it. Looks like the heat wrap did its job. We've got one more project to do right quick. Install this gas strut on one of the baggage doors. And then we're going to go out and explore a little bit more of Albuquerque. We're headed out to go check out the Petroglyph National Monument. We got all the chores done this morning. Got to do a little bit more this afternoon, but we'll go check this out first.
This proves there was some dinosaurs back then because you see it.
It's a dog.
No, it's not a dog. Although this fell, so we can't really tell what it really was, you know? This looks like it was a fish.
Petroglyph National Monument stretches 17 miles along Albuquerque, New Mexico's West Mesa, a volcanic basalt escarpment that dominates the city's western horizon. Approximately 200,000 years ago, 6 volcanic eruptions began to create the slope of eroded volcanic boulders. The first 2 fissure eruptions yielded extensive amounts of liquid lava which flowed naturally downslope east towards the Rio Grande Valley. The following 4 eruptions produced thicker lava flows that eventually blocked the volcanic vents, allowing lava to accumulate and create the volcanic cones called the Three Sisters. This 17-mile volcanic escarpment is known today as Albuquerque's West Mesa. Basalt is the volcanic rock produced by the eruptions and sometimes has many little holes in it called vesicles. Vesicular basalt is a product of gases escaping from the lava before it cools and hardens. The exposed surface of basalt darkens in color due to precipitation, extreme temperatures, airborne particles, and activation by microorganisms which cause the metals and minerals to oxidize or rust. This thin layer of oxidation is called desert varnish. This boulder contains a good example of various images made by the ancestral Pueblo people 400 to 700 years ago. They used sandstone hammerstones and chisels to remove the thin exterior layer of desert varnish which exposed the lighter color of the basalt's interior. Some images are recognizable by us today, however, their original meanings were known only by the carver and those who traveled and lived during that time period.
Has anybody seen the Edward Scissorhands movie? They live down there.
So we made it to the top of the Overlook Trail. What do you think about it?
I love it. I like the drawing things.
The petroglyph?
Yes, those. They're kind of cool. Most of them look like sticks with the head.
Stick figures.
Stick figures with the head and turtles chasing them. Maybe dinosaurs.
Alright, so we're going to hike back down. Got our package in to fix the RV steps, the electric steps. They had went out, so I'm gonna fix that today as well. So this is the old control unit and the old motor. I've already disconnected the steps from the motor assembly. Now I've got to remove the defective parts and put in the new parts. There's the new controller and the new motor assembly. Got it all installed. Now I just have one last thing to do. I have to reverse the switch inside due to the new controller being backwards on the wiring. Flyaway hair. Today's topic. Curly Q flyaway hair.
It looks like a, you know, the piggy in the cartoons. They have that little
Squiggly tail.
yeah. How to calm it down. It's cute, I think.